In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a named credential in Salesforce, a task you can accomplish in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a Salesforce admin, a developer, or just someone who's delving into the Salesforce ecosystem, understanding how to set up named credentials is crucial. Named credentials simplify the process of setting up authentication for external services, making integrations clean and secure. Let's dive right into it and get you up and running. First, you'll need to navigate to Salesforce. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Setup area. Setup is your primary workspace whenever you need to tweak Salesforce settings or configure features. It's where you unleash the full power of Salesforce as an admin or developer. So, upon reaching the setup, use the search box to find Named Credentials. This search feature is a quick and efficient way to get exactly where you need to be without wading through a ton of options. Once you've located the Named Credentials section, you'll want to click on the option labeled New. It's usually up front and center on the Named Credentials page. This action will take you to a form where all the magic happens. Here, you will enter the details that establish and secure your connection to an external service. It's critical here to fill out the basic fields with precision. This will typically involve entering a label, which is essentially the name you give the credential, a user-friendly name that clearly identifies the service or endpoint this credential is associated with. Following this, under the field name URL, you'll input the endpoint that Salesforce will connect to. This could be an external service API URL that you want Salesforce to communicate with. You'll also have options to select the identity type and the authentication protocol. These settings ensure that your connection is authenticated properly and securely. Be sure that the information entered here is accurate, as mistakes can lead to authentication errors when attempting to use the named credential. Once you have carefully filled out all the necessary fields to your satisfaction, it's time to save your work. Click the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top of the page. Saving commits these details to Salesforce, making your named credential ready to be used across your organization for API calls and integrations. Efficiently creating a named credential not only saves you time in repeating authentication logic within your Salesforce org, but also enhances security by centralizing your authentication settings. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps and a few minutes of your time, you've successfully set up a named credential in Salesforce. If followed correctly, these steps will pave the way for seamless integrations with external services, allowing you more flexibility and capability in your Salesforce environment. Thanks for watching, and happy Salesforce administration.